I'm Adam, and today I've got something to skate for. I got my life back. Here we are, nearly 100 days sober. All right, let's cut the cinematics. Did you see what my dog was just doing behind me? Making this video, I almost stepped in like 3 different piles of poop. There's so much dog shit on the ground. Today I'm working on Feeble Fakie on the extension of the mini ramp. And I'm just going to talk about my process and how I work that out. The move we're looking for is to get our back truck up on the coping, into feeble stall, and back in. Now the 2 tricks that you need to know before working on these are rock the fakie and feeble stalls. With your rock the fakie, try not to get these quick little taps that are going to get you hung up. Try to turn in like you're getting ready, like you're doing a feeble fakie. And the more you get comfortable tweaking that in your rock fakies, eventually it'll feel natural to get your back truck on there and come back in fakie. Always work on these like progressively over time. So I just start doing reps as if I'm like bench pressing or something. And each time I'm trying to get a little higher up the ramp and tweaking that more and more and making sure that I apply pressure with my toes. I want to take a little weight off my heel as I enter back into the ramp. And hopefully that's going to get you to that feeble to fakie you're looking for. Now, personally, I didn't start on this, I think it's 3-foot extension. I started on a little 18-inch quarter pipe that I got from Keen Ramps. We're just working up. Well, that's all for now. I appreciate you checking out the channel. Hopefully this will help you with your feeble to fakie attempts and your personal progress at home. Don't forget to throw me a like and leave a comment if you're still getting hung up on this. Until next time, I'm Adam, and thank you so much for your support just by watching.